So I had heard around town that you was looking for the newness, okay? You was looking for the best of the best. And you know, I'm gonna bring you the best of the best, okay? Check this out. New. Dollar Tree has the set of 3 inflatable ornaments, $5. Child, when I see this, ooh girl, with the gold, girl, you better get into it and do it for real, okay? This is a steal deal. When you see something new, how you feel, boo? I'm just asking. When you see the newness, because listen, first of all, can I be honest? You deserve the best of the best, okay? And I will be doing a disservice if I didn't bring the best of the best to you. Check this out. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Today's message is push through your comfort zone. Okay, you too comfortable. And if you are not going throughout your day feeling a little fear, being a little afraid, you too comfortable. That means you're not growing, okay? And if you want your life to change, you have to experience the discomfort of that change. And other news, okay? So we are at the Dollar Tree today. Let's see what they have inside. Listen, Dollar Tree have the fire. They have the heat up in these streets. Child, you want to get into this video. Okay, one time for the one time. Let's go. New item at Dollar Tree, waterproof and submersible 10 LED puck indoor, outdoor, and home decor. $3. Steal deal like Holyfield, okay? Honey, I'm tripping over the word, okay? Can I be honest? All right, okay, but honey, this is still deal like Holyfield, $3. Okay, I like that. Dollar Tree also have the 4-port PD car charger, which is $5, and this has the max charge. Still deal like Holyfield. Let's go. Now listen, we talked about this, didn't I show you guys this? The 8-in-1 light up screwdriver. Listen, light up screwdriver. It has the light switch. You see this? The light switch, okay? So you ain't gotta call him. Stop calling him, okay? Stop calling him making excuses. Ooh, you know what? I need to borrow your screwdriver. Listen, girl, okay? You better go on, come down to Dollar Tree and get this screwdriver. The 8-in-1 light up screwdriver, okay? $5. Now, I know some of you guys have seen some of this stuff, and you may be like, Dina, come on, we've seen some of this. This is for the newbies, okay? Look, true wireless earbuds, 24 hours playtime, okay? This is a great stocking stuffer, and we not finna break the bank, okay, on these Christmas gifts. So, look, you see what this says? Be loud and be proud, okay? Now, let me tell you something. What they really meant to say was be yourself, okay? You being like everybody, you gotta be yourself. And this is $5. This is a steal deal. Like Holyfield, let's go. New item at Dollar Tree. Look at this. Okay, so this is the decor. I'll be gnome for Christmas. You know, sometimes that be tripping me out because I want to say home. Okay, we so programmed to say home, right? But it says I'll be known for Christmas, $1.25. Isn't he fancy? And right when you thought that they only had it in one color, okay, they have it also in a black and white. Absolutely love this. Well, this one actually says there's no place like gnome for the holidays. Honey, get into it and do it. Groove and move. Now, Dollar Tree also has these new buckets. Oh my goodness, isn't this fancy? Look at this. This is $1.25. Absolutely love it. The Santa Belt bucket. Child, get into it and do it. Now, one of the things that I love about this Dollar Tree location is next to me, okay, where I live. First of all, it's so well organized, okay? You see this? All right, so first of all, we're going to go through this. Tablecloths you need, they have them, okay? gift tags you need, they have them. Which, let me see, 4 gift tags, $4.25. Self-adhesive gift tags, 100 pieces for $1.25. Memo book with pen, 50 sheets, $1.25. They also have the LED Christmas tree light up, $1.25. They also have these trays, which are $1.25 as well. What about these trays right here? Okay, this is so cute. Snowflake tray, $1.25. Tootsie Roll. Who remember that song? Cotton candy, sweet and roll. Let me see, Tootsie Roll. Who remember that? Honey, am I bringing back the memories or what? Okay, they also have the Christmas tree, $1.25. And what about these trays down here? Now, I know some of you guys seen this stuff, but again, this is for the new ones, okay? Hot cocoa and marshmallows, $1.25. Now, this comes in different colors. They have the green. You guys know I'm a greens girl. Okay, one second. They also have the red, wishing you peace, love, and joy. Love that. Love that. Okay. What you wish for someone else, you wishing for yourself. They also have these trays over here. I absolutely love these because they have the dish, the dry mat that goes with this, and also the hand mitt. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is a whole set. You get what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? You feel me? Okay, look at this. So they have the plate, well, the tray. Okay, this is a tray. I would do this as a plate, but honey, do what works for you. They have this tray. They also have these placemats. Now, we talked about these placemats. These placemats, some of them are the dupes of Pottery and Barn. Okay, so Pottery and Barn, they sell, you know, plates, cups, placemats, but you can definitely get the placemats for $1.25. Okay, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree also have this tray right here. I absolutely love this. This is a wooden tray, and it says Joy. This is $5. Serving tray, food safe. Steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the silicone oven mitts, especially in time for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Silicone oven mitt, $3. Then they have another one, $3. I absolutely love this because when you go to take those pots out, okay, from cooking that macaroni and cheese, that turkey, whoo, chow, okay, that stuffing, whatever it is, okay, honey, this is really good to have, $3. Okay, so I know I showed you guys the dish drying mats down below that went with the plates, but they also have these, which are really cute. Okay, they the same thing, but I want to show you all together. Okay, $1.25, cute. Now, Dollar Tree still has some of the hand soap left, child. Okay, so you better get in where you fit in, all right? Now, this is the cinnamon gingerbread. These smells really good. I would purchase some more hand soap, but child, when I tell you, I still have that real big thing that I got from Dollar Tree last time. That's enough, okay? I got probably like 3 things of dish soap, child. I am so grateful and thankful, okay? All right, it's the little things that counts, okay? So, cinnamon gingerbread, fresh pine scented, and then they also have the cranberry scented Santa. How cute is this? This steal deal? Yes, $1.25. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite items that you seen new? Okay, definitely was the inflatable ornaments that were $5, I believe. Let's say $5. Those were really cute. Those were a steal deal like Holyfield. Okay.